Gusto mo bang matutong mag-pistol squat? Kagaya nito? In today's sport tips, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ma-unlock ang pistol squat. But before that, kailangan nating warm up yung ankle, knees, and hips natin. So first, exercise na gagawin nyo is lunges na ganito. Gawin nyo yan 10 to 15 reps. Kung kulang, gawin yung 20. And second, warm-up exercise is leg raises. Lock nyo lang knees ninyo, point nyo yung toes nyo pataas, and raise. Slow up, slow down. Slow up, slow down. Same, 10 to 15 reps. And para naman sa hips natin, di 4 lang tayo para may stretch. Hold nyo yan. 10 to 30 seconds. Kung kulang, ibaba nyo para mas na-feel yung stretch. 10 to 30 seconds again. And after that, we're ready to go. First step is, kailangan natin ng 1. And we start by doing this. Raise yung leg ninyo.